Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So if you're locked out of Facebook, this guide will walk you through the fastest ways to get back in. So in this tutorial, I am going to show you on how to recover your Facebook account. So the first thing you need to do here is to go to Incognito tab to be able to move forward, and then the next thing you need to do here is to search for Facebook support account, and you will be able to see this one. They will ask you how they can help, and then look for login and password, this one, and then choose this I can access. So here, or the recover an account. So tap on that one, you will be able to see that one, and then right after that one, type on I can access the email address or mobile number on my account. So after that one, you can also tap the I forgot my password, and then here you can either choose if you want to search your account through your mobile number or search your account through your email address instead. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!